Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set your ID or username or identity number. Okay, so it's really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end. Then you will learn how to do this. So now let's click on your Line Messenger app. And then click here top right corner on your screen. It's called setting icon. Just click on this and then click profile. Okay, so click profile, then scroll down a little bit, then here you can see the option ID, this one. So it's another name, username or ID name, identification. So it will be set unique. So when you set this username on, then you will not able to change this again or later. Okay, so when you choose your username, choose wisely. Okay, and here you can see they write something, other users can search for you by your line ID. Once you create one, it can be changed. So they say that you can not able to change this. And through this ID, if you send your ID to your friend or a stranger or anyone, then when they search your ID on their messenger app, Line Messenger app, then they will find you easily. So you can create it. So I'm just create my name. So just check, is it available or not. Yeah, is it, this ID is available. Okay, so this ID is available. Here you can see this ID is available. So let's see, someone took my ID, and if I check, oh, this is unavailable, and check, this is available. Okay, so when you got your desirous name, desirous ID, and this ID is available, then click save. When you click save, then you can see here this is ID. Okay, so when you click copy, then copy line ID. So you can send to your friend, strangers or anyone, then they will get you. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Just make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.